Alrighty folks, today is the most amazing day. You know why? Because we are testing out and we're going to show you the difference between the Ridge wallet, which is right up here, the Ekster Wallet Pro, the Groove Life wallet, and Ekster Cardholder Pro, which is their aluminum wallet, metal upgraded push button right here. So we got 3 different companies. And as we get into the video, if you want to get your hands on 10% off of what Ekster offers, anything on their website, doesn't have to be their wallets, their tracker card, their tech backpack. That 10% off link is the top link in the description box below. Check it out after the video though. Make sure you watch the whole video to decide on which wallet you want. I will have Ridge's linked in the picture links below the video as well, shoppable picture links, and then below the Ekster link will be the Groove Life wallet link as well. Read more about them, pick them up yourself, but watch the video. Okay, since the Ridge is loaded up first, let's take a look at that one first. So, Ridge has probably the coolest colors. Major League team. This is the Denver Broncos carbon fiber wallet. We got a cash strap on this. RFID blocking technology, holds up to 12 cards. Cash on the back. And then we have a manual push-up button right here. I then lift them up a little bit more and I use my most used card on the front or my most used card on the back. Again, lifting them up just a little bit more, most used card on the front or back. You can lift them all the way up and out if you want, distribute through them, but it's just a little trickier getting them all back in. Doesn't take that long, but I'll leave that up to you. Again, a manual push button here. So for colors, uniqueness, they've been in the game a long time. Ridge makes solid products. I have their luggage set, their complete luggage set. I love their luggage set. Okay, looking at the Wallet Pro. The Wallet Pro is Vachette leather. It's the softest leather you'll ever feel in a very long time. It's an absolute beautiful wallet. Upgraded metal push button, internal recycled aluminum parts. This holds up to 12 cards, 5 through 7 in the slot, and then the additional cards in these slots over here or the slot on the back, which you could put cash back there or more cards. Cash band is right here, fabric nylon, or if nylon's even fabric. Anyway, that's fabric and then leather here. And then you can access your cards with it open or with it closed, distributing your cards just beautifully right there. I got 5 cards in the slot right here. And again, I use my most used card on the front or the back, using the backing of these to put it back in. And that's just easier using your most used card on the front or back. Or again, you can pull them all out, distribute them, put them back in. I'll leave that up to you. But again, you can access your cards with it open or with it closed here. Upgraded metal push button, really, really awesome. I have 2 more cards in here right now just showing you that. Or the additional last card in the back showing you how the credit card does look if it's in the back slot. This slot, it tucks all the way down. This slot, it does show it just a little bit, so you could have your cash in that one if you really wanted to. This is all attached, and again, beautiful Vachette leather. If you do stack a lot of cash, it will raise it up a little bit, letting you know about that one. That again is the Wallet Pro Ekster wallet. This also has RFID blocking technology. All right, now looking at the Cardholder Pro, upgraded metal push button, RFID blocking technology. Same thing, your cards go in the slot here, or the expansion plate. You can hide more cards underneath the bottom. You could hide cash underneath the bottom. Cash strap, this is like a silicone strap right here. Internal recycled aluminum parts. Again, with that metal upgraded push button, same exact thing, most used card on the front, most used card on the back. Again, cash there, you can ditch the plate altogether and the band cash strap to thin it down even more for a more minimalistic look to it. This is the Cardholder Pro. It's a really cool wallet. This is the Desert Red and this is the Flare Red color in the Wallet Pro. Wallet Pro is the leather one. Cardholder Pro is the aluminum one with the metal upgraded push button. Both are absolutely fantastic wallets. Again, top link in the description box below will be 10% off whatever Ekster offers. Now let's look at the Groove Life. So this is the gunmetal gray, and this has a black money clip to it. And then you have the black color with a black money clip to it as well. Same exact wallet, little logos up here, GL for Groove Life. Let's take a look at the gunmetal gray. Let's load up my cards and let's go ahead and put cash on the back here. The easiest thing to do for cash, lift it up with your thumb and then slip your cash underneath. As that metal wears in, it's going to get easier and easier for you. That's just the easiest thing to do for that with the money clip. Now, what makes Groove Life so unique is the sliding top feature of the wallet to distribute your cards exactly like Ekster's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there. I'm pretty sure this has RFID blocking technology as well. That link below will determine that, but this technology is so stinking cool. The whole top plate goes up, and then you do have to put it back like that there, or when you smack the cards in. So watch what I do. I typically go like that, and I do it really fast. So I was in the French Alps for a snowboard trip, and I would put my pass right in here like that. And so I just go like that, whip out, go beep like that, and then put it back in, and then slap them down like that. So again, most used card on the front, or most used card on the back, just like this here, or you can bring them all the way out. But like every wallet, you have to kind of put them all together and then put them back in like that there. Coolest technology I've ever seen. If you really wanted to, you could do double finger, like splash the money if you really wanted to. Black or gunmetal gray. So it doesn't matter whatever wallet you decide on, I'll leave it up to you. Again, most unique colors, sports teams for the Ridge, Groove Life, so cool technology, or Ekster with their metal push button, and then beautiful leather as well. Card Holder Pro, Wallet Pro, Groove Life, and Ridge. Again, if you want 10% off whatever Ekster's website offers, top link in the description box below. Groove Life will be linked below that. And for Ridge are the shoppable picture links of their wallets right below the video as well. But just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything I do make a video about. But if you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, please go ahead and purchase on away. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on the way out, helps the channel. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, tech-related videos, DIY house projects, and more. Again, your links are all below. My name's Chris, and I'll see you on the next video.